Hi, I'm Karthik. Welcome back to my Martech channel. In this video, I will explain you about LC or lead connector or GoHighLevel premium actions. This was recently introduced, and this is most of the agency owners or the sub account or the customers like to have the data in a Google spreadsheet. Whatever the dashboard we create in, or whatever the dashboard GoHighLevel offers, or like any platform offers, people end of the day want to have it in a Google spreadsheet so that they can see the track the ROI, and like to have the data in a simple spreadsheet to track everything, right? So we used to earlier we used to pull the to push the data out of GoHighLevel. People used to, like, say a customer, for example, say a customer has submitted a form, then we used to create a webhook here, right? Webhook, and then the webhook URL will be provided by either the Zapier or like the Make, and then it will be connected to the Google spreadsheet. So we need to have that external tool to make this happen. GoHighLevel sees this as an opportunity, and they themselves have come up with a lead connector premium actions. This is extra chargeable. It's like it's appear on all the, it's available on $297 and $497 plans also. Say LC premium actions are offered by the workflow builder, but it's chargeable per action execution. Means for every action you need to pay the GoHighLevel in excess of your regular plan charges. Just click enable, and it shows a prompt like this: future is chargeable for each execution, and the default price is 0. And each hub account location will get to start off, right? I confirm, and now I click enable. Now the thing is enabled. You need to have a Google connection connected to it for the workflow to send the data. Create a spreadsheet row and choose an account. I have connected the Google already, so it's I'm making it I'm just loading that account. That's it. Then once you do that, you have to select the spreadsheet and then the worksheet. Just select the worksheet, and you can click refresh headers, and starting column is the A and end column is the now you can choose the columns, or otherwise I will change the columns here because it needs a header: name, email, account name, phone number, source. So this is how I have created a spreadsheet to collect the data from the GoHighLevel. Now let's go back to this. Let's refresh the header again, and now it shows name and account name, the new header, right? Now I want to also select the E column. Now let's select this: contact name, full name, and contact, email, and account name, account.name, phone number, and contact source, right? Source. Now I have mapped the columns with the available contact specific standard fields available, and also you can use any custom fields also. Once you do that, just click save action, just click save, and then you can go ahead and create and push that contact, push any of that contact, and run test. That's it. Once you are done with that, you will get data like this. Once that is done, then you will get a data in the format like John. This is the new row. So this is how it works, and you don't have to push all the values out of the GoHighLevel connected with that contact. You can push the specific value, and you can also always update the headers and reload it and push the recorded data accordingly. So the LC premium action lets you to forget about the Zapier or the Make or any third-party tool, and the same goes for the it has Slack also. So most of the time we use Slack, and you have to connect the Slack account, and then you can like prescribe like a desired channel, and you can send the message as soon as a business case demands, like as soon as an appointment comes in, it has to be notified in the Slack channel. So VAs can be notified, and VAs can immediately talk to the customer and convert them into the actual paying customers. So this Slack and the LC premium actions are useful, and we will have a separate video on the LC premium inbound webhook also. The thing is, like, so far we have seen like how data can be pushed from GoHighLevel to external sheets or like external platforms. But what if at all you have a different platform, and you want to push the data from GoHighLevel, push the data from that platform to GoHighLevel. Say as soon as a contract is sent in PandaDoc or DocuSign, you can have a webhook, and this can act as a trigger, and once the contract is signed by the customer, you can send a thank you message and all those things. So this premium actions are very useful. It makes you to like transport data from GoHighLevel out and in, and this can do lots of wonders if you can like effectively use to solve your business issues. Let me know in case if you have any queries. I'll happy to answer that. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing channel. Thanks. Bye.